Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my e-commerce business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and show you all what's included in the Word document or the actual business plan itself, the business plan template itself, as well as show you all what my financial model looks like, which is again included in the e-commerce business plan template. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this whole presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the e-commerce business plan template. Specifically, the first part of this segment is going to be about the Word document, which actually contains the business plan template itself for the e-commerce industry. And then what I'll do is dive into, or briefly introduce you all to the financial model, show you what's included in that. And then once we're done with that, we'll pack it up and call it a day. All right, so if and when you do purchase the e-commerce business plan template, you will be, once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page right here. Most of my clients, what they'll do is they'll get rid of this wording right here. They'll put their logo and then just leave business plan underneath. Second page, this is your table of contents. Once you add all your information to the business plan template, just zip over here to the table of contents, click on the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all of the titles and all of the page numbers will update accordingly. Third page is going to be your executive summary section. In this section, I give you a really good start for the e-commerce summary, your target market, financial highlights, which once you add your information to the financial model, then you'll be able to extrapolate this information here and update this information. And then the funding request, how much money do you need to get the party started, and the terms available. Now keep in mind, anywhere you see yellow, that's where I definitely recommend y'all reading and make sure that it pertains to your business. If there's parentheses around the words or sentence, you definitely want to update that information with your own information. Next section is going to be your company description. This is where we're going to talk about your company, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, why you're going to do it, and when you're going to do it. I give you some great starting points for your business summary, the popular products you'll be offering, competitive advantages. It has a primary target market section, pricing strategy section, hours of operation, gives you a little bit of a location description section, and then we round out this segment with the business objectives and timeline. Just tells the reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. Industry analysis. This is just what I do for industry analysis is I do have a subscription to IBIS World. They are an industry leader in industry research. I obtain the report. I'll go through it. I'll extrapolate important information from the report, summarize it, and put it into the template. Next section is your SWOT, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And just click on the wording and update the wording as you see fit. Next section is going to be organizational structure. It's broken up into two segments, which is the ownership segment and the organizational chart. Again, smart art, just click on the information, update it accordingly, and then put your information in the ownership section. Next section is going to be the marketing section. I give you 3 really solid marketing channels to go ahead and build upon, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And the next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? What are your terms expected and interest rate expected? And the final section is your projections. And for the projections for this template, I do include a 12-month profit and loss, and it's broken up monthly, 1 through 3, into quarters. So it goes month to month for the first 12 months and also quarterly as well. And so we got quarter 2, same section or same information, quarter 3, month 7 through 9. And then we'll have month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, what we have is a pro forma income statement, and this is just your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the expected for the next 5 years, broken up annually. And then in order to update this information, what you would do is you'd go over to the financial model, which is right here, which leads us into the second section of the video, which is the financial model. So for the financial model, it is in an Excel spreadsheet. And the tabs that you're going to have is going to be your information page. Anything you update in these darker color cells, once you update that information, it will update your projections, your profit and loss statements, as well as your income statement. So what you want to do is you want to go through this and update the darker colored cells. For example, you can update your daily sales here. You can update your labor information here, your startup cost information here. And then we've got our monthly fixed cost information here. Again, anywhere in the darker color cells are what you want to update. Then you've got your tax rate, you've got your growth rate for revenues on an annual basis, as well as annually for your cost. And then finally, your loan information you can update as well. So once you update the darker colored cells with your information, it will automatically populate the projections, which is just a summary of your financial standing. It'll update your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And it also, as you update that information, your pro forma income statement will be updated as well, which is for 5 years, and again covers your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. And so once you're done updating everything on your information page, you'll want to go to the financial statements in here and just simply Control-C it or copy it, and then paste them into your Word document, which is, again, the actual business plan template. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.